Hello and welcome to a new video. So today's video is going to be a very mini Home Bargains haul. I did go to Home Bargains and I bought like a few things, probably not enough for a haul, but I still wanted to give a haul because I've got like some cute cool things in here. It's probably going to be quite a short video, but you know, we're still here for it. First of all, I got a Mucuna blemish stick. I'm pretty sure like Mucuna honey has like healing properties, and I saw this, I think this was like 69p, so I've not got high expectations. Oh, it smells a bit strong. Yeah, it just says apply to appropriate area and when required. I do have a new spot down here, so I might actually use this on it tonight. It's like a rollerball head, so you like kind of rollerball it on. Next, I got this Aussie Shine On serum. This was like £2.99 or £2.50, I think. There's usually like £6 or £7, so I was like, yes, I will get this. That's a real bargain. I think it's just basically like hair serum, and it helps to make your hair a bit shiny. Time for that colour to shine. This beauty believes in having it all. Blah blah blah. I don't think it says how to use it. I would swing it. Let me smell a bit. Does it smell good? I do really like Aussie products, to be fair. It does smell really nice. Next, I bought an Easter egg bath bomb. This is not actually for me, even though I kind of wish I'd bought myself one. There's a squishy toy in the middle. I bought this for Easter for my little brother. I actually still need to give it him because it's literally the end of Easter now, and I forgot that this was in the bag, so I'm gonna go and give it to him in a minute. But yeah, you just get like a squishy toy inside, and it's like an egg as well. How cute's that? I just thought this is really cute, and he really likes like bath bombs. He's obsessed with bath bombs, so I just thought this is a really cute present for him. Next, I bought some face sponges just to like help me wash my face. But I've actually used one of them yet, which is this one, and it's so harsh on my face when I've washed it. Like, it feels so like scratchy and exfoliating, and I'm just like, Jesus, that's a bit intense. So it's more like these two softer ones that I'm going to use to like wash my face, because they just feel a lot softer. Because this one is like bloody, you can hear how scratchy it is compared to these. These are just really soft. But yeah, I just needed some sponges to wash my face, and I think these were like £2, so I just bought like a fat pack of sponges to wash my face with. Here, shouldn't really include these in here because I have actually ate them all, but I got these. What are they? Maynard's Bassett's fruit smoothies jellies, and oh my god, these were so nice. They're made from like real fruit puree. They're like smoothie combinations, so there's like banana and strawberry, pomegranate and berry, pineapple and lemon, and mango and passion fruit, and these were so good. I really like these sweets. I think they were like £1. I bought some digestives to actually make my cheesecakes, but I bought too many, so now I've just got a spare packet of digestives. And I don't even like digestives that much, so I'm just going to take them downstairs and put them in a biscuit tin so that someone else eats them. So these are one of my favourite things. They're like 4 for £1 or 29p each. The highlights, the Cadbury's Highlights milk chocolate, hot chocolate thingy. They're just hot chocolate sachets, and they are only 38 calories per hot chocolate, and they are low sugar. For 38 calories, they taste so good. I just put coconut milk in with them to make it a bit creamier, and they bang. Then I bought some fibre bars. They're basically the knockoff version of the Fibre One bars. I don't know if they're like Home Bargain Zone or whatever, but yeah, they're basically the Fibre One bars really. But they are only 90 calories per bar, and I bought the chocolate brownie ones because these are actually such a good snack, like for when you're trying to diet or like eat less calories, be in a calorie deficit. And then also a low calorie option that absolutely, these are my favourite things ever, pink and whites. They are only 50 calories per marshmallow bar, and they're like marshmallow in the middle of like 2 wafers, and oh my god, these are so good for such a low calorie option. I love them. So I told you that this was a little haul, and it really was. That concludes my haul. Yeah, I didn't get much, but I just thought I'd still do a little haul because I love a Home Bargains haul. So I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Please remember to give me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.